morning, children. In today's math class, we are going to perform an activity on addition of unlike fractions. So first of all, we are going to know what are unlike fractions. Let's quickly recall. Unlike fractions, as a name suggests, which do not have the same number. So you may write unlike fractions are the fraction with different denominators. So now I'm going to show you the example of it. Examples are 1 by 3, comma 1 by 4. These two numbers here on the denominator place are different, not same, 3 and 4. So these are unlike fractions. Okay. Now we are going to perform activity and we are going to add two unlike fractions. One number I am having 1 by 2 and another I have 1 by 3. These two are unlike fraction. Let's see how we are going to add it. There is one method like this. 1 upon 2, the sign of addition, 1 upon 3. If you are going to write as 1 plus 1, 2 upon 2 plus 3, 5. Let's see whether this number is the correct or not. So we are going to check our answer. We require two strips to show our fraction. 1 by 2 I am going to show here and 1 by 3 I am going to show here. So I am going to fold it into two halves. This represents 1 by 2. Now I am going to shade one region because it is mentioned 1 here. So for that you need a crayon of any color. So I am going to shade here with this one. So this is 1 by 2. Now I am going to write 1 by 2. Now addition sign, we are going to represent 1 by 3 on this strip. For that you have to fold it into 3 parts, equal parts. So let's see how we are going to do. This is the first fold. This is the second one and the third one. One, two, and lastly the 3. So it is again suggesting you to shade one part out of 3. Shade any region, any one region. In this way we have shaded 1 by 3rd part and here 1 by 2 part. Now if we are going to add it, these are not at all equal. It has 2 parts and it has 3 parts. So for that we require equal regions. Now children, to make it equal 1 by 2, we are going to fold it into one more part. Now if you are going to open this, you will get 4 equal parts. And now if we are going to fold 1 by 3 one more time, we are going to get how many parts? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again the number is not equal because it has 4 parts and that is 6 parts. Now children, count 1 2 3 4. 4 is equal to, over there we have got 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is not equal. So we need equal part to add it. To make it equal, what we are going to do, we are going to fold this. Now to make it equal, we are going to fold it into 3 parts, equal parts. 1 and then here 2, 3. Now we have got 6 equal parts like this one. Just represent 6 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 and lastly 6. Now paste it in your copy. Another one like this. Children, one more new thing we have noticed here is we have got 6 is equal to 6. Now we can add this. Now children, write down the shaded part we have got. 1 2 3 out of 6 total, 3 by 6. Here we have 6 equal parts and out of that 2 are shaded. We are going to add it on this strip. We are going to show 6 equal parts and then we are going to add these shaded parts. This is the new strip. Now I am going to fold it into 2 parts. Then we are going to fold it into 3 equal parts. 1 2 and lastly 3. If you are going to open it, you will find 6 equal parts. Now I am going to mention it here. 6 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 and lastly 6. Now I am going to show the 3 equal parts. We have got 3 equal parts from here. 1 2 and 3. We are going to represent it here and 2 equal parts of this one, these 2 shaded over here. Let's see the total. Children, I'm going to represent these 3, 1 2 3 over here. Color it quickly. The second one, the third one. In this way we have shaded 3 by 6. Now this 2 part from 2 by 6 over here. 1 and 2. Let's quickly find out what we have got, because at last we have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have got 5 total parts out of 6. So accordingly we have to shade. Now I'm going to paste it here. Mention your answer, what you have got. 3 upon 6 plus 2 by 6. 3 plus 2 upon 6. So we have got 5 by 6. This is our answer. This is not our answer. In the beginning of the video, I have told you to the answer might be 2 by 5. This is not the answer. Firstly, we will convert it into like fraction, as we have converted 6 equal parts. Now after that we are allowed to add it. You are not allowed to add it immediately, not at all. Convert it into like fraction, then add accordingly. This way we have completed our activity. We have performed our operation on this fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now I am going to give you different number. Can you try? To add these two fractions, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Show me your wrong answer also and right answer also. Okay, first of all you are going to convert it into like fraction, represent it on strip, then at last you are going to add it.